Are you tired of dealing with daily messes, pet hair, and unexpected spills? This iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum Mop offers an all-in-one solution for your cleaning woes. From powerful vacuum suction to intelligent obstacle avoidance, this device redefines how we handle household cleaning. Designed with innovative technology and user-friendly features, it promises not only spotless floors but also an unprecedented level of convenience. At first glance, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus impresses with its sleek, compact design and its promise of dual functionality, both vacuuming and mopping. What sets it apart from typical robotic vacuums is its ability to transform into a mop, just a simple bin switch. This feature instantly piques curiosity. Can this tiny machine handle the rigors of both dry and wet cleaning efficiently? The answer is a resounding yes. Why choose iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus? 1. Time-saving convenience. Imagine not having to think about vacuuming or mopping for 2 months. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus makes that possible, letting you focus on what truly matters in your day-to-day life. 2. Stress-free cleaning. With the ability to detect and avoid obstacles like pet waste and cords, you'll never have to worry about messy mishaps again. Plus, if you're a pet owner, you're covered by iRobot's Pet Owner Official Promise. 3. Dual functionality. Why invest in both a vacuum and a mop when you can have a device that does both? With the Roomba Combo J5 Plus, your floors will be dust-free, shiny, and spotless, all in one go. Key features that make the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus a must-have. 1. Power lifting suction for a deeper clean. With its 4-stage cleaning system, this robot vacuum doesn't just glide over the surface of your floors. It actively pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from hidden corners and underneath furniture. Whether it's carpet, hardwood, or tile, the suction is powerful enough to leave your floors spotless. This makes it especially beneficial for pet owners or households with high foot traffic. 2. Smart navigation with PrecisionVision. iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus uses PrecisionVision navigation, enabling it to see and avoid obstacles like pet waste, cords, and shoes. This feature is particularly impressive for households with pets and children, where messes and toys can unexpectedly clutter the floor. With the POP, Pet Owner Official Promise, you no longer have to worry about the robot running into pet messes. If it does, iRobot will replace the device for free. Talk about confidence. Number 3. Self-emptying bin for hassle-free maintenance. One of the standout features is its ability to empty itself for up to 60 days. This means that for 2 whole months, you can forget about manually emptying the vacuum. Its enclosed bag holds debris, dust, and pet hair securely, making it a great option for those who suffer from allergies. 4. Customizable cleaning with smart mapping. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus doesn't just blindly clean. Thanks to its smart mapping, you can decide which rooms it should clean and when. You can also create No Mop Zones, ensuring your carpets stay dry while your hard floors get a thorough mopping. 5. Dual vacuum and mop functionality. Transforming the device from a vacuum into a mop is as easy as swapping out the bin. Simply add water or a compatible cleaning solution, and the microfiber pad tackles everything from dirt, footprints. For households with multiple floor types, this is a game changer. It's like having 2 powerful cleaning devices in one compact machine. What's truly remarkable about the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is how effortlessly it integrates into your daily routine. The device learns your schedule and even your cleaning preferences, thanks to its intelligent app control. Whether you're at home or away, you can control the Roomba using the iRobot Home app or voice assistants like Alexa. Simply say, "Alexa, clean the living room," and the Roomba gets to work. Smart, intuitive, and designed for convenience. In real-world usage, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus performs consistently well. Its advanced navigation system allows it to cover every inch of your home in neat, systematic rows. If you have a larger space, don't worry. The robot is equipped with sensors that ensure it avoids mopping carpets while giving hard floors a thorough cleaning. Additionally, the Dirt Detect technology helps it recognize dirtier areas of your home and focus on them for deeper cleaning. This feature is especially handy for kitchens or high-traffic areas where dirt tends to accumulate. Final verdict. Is the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus worth it? The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum Mop is a well-rounded, smart cleaning device that's designed to make your life easier. It combines powerful suction with intelligent mapping and obstacle avoidance, ensuring you get a thorough clean every time. The added convenience of self-emptying and the option to switch between vacuuming and mopping make it one of the best investments for a clean home. Whether you have pets, kids, or just a busy lifestyle, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus delivers exactly what you need. Worry-free, efficient cleaning. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and take the first step toward a cleaner, smarter home. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.